Hello and welcome to another daily forecast from Forex Alignment Analysis. Today we are looking at the Euro US dollar. It's at the end of the day here on the 25th of October. So we're going to see what happened during the day and what we can expect for tomorrow. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we have the end of this ABC correction and we are currently going down now for a wave 1, 2, and we are currently in a wave 3. Now it seems that everybody's kind of got their eyes on this Euro USD pair, waiting for the wave 3 to be over, a reversal, and then a push back up. But it just seems to keep on trending down. So yeah, wave 3 hasn't been confirmed to be over yet. I've just put this on here because it's where we are. But we could start to see a reversal. But yeah, let's have a look on the daily time frame and see what we can find. So on the daily time frame, we've got to the end of this, or where we are at the moment, on the wave 3. And it's kind of like a perfect downtrend, really. Let's just have a look at this in a little bit more detail on the daily time frame. Every time that we've had a correction, it's come back up and tested the level before it, right? So here we've come down, ABC up, and we've gone to the point where we've tested the previous low. And we've seen that all the way through this downtrend here. We push back up, we test the previous low. It's kind of like a perfect kind of downtrend here. We see it all the time. And it's not until that pattern is broken that we can say that the structure is broken and that we are in a reversal. So what do we have here? A push up, a retest of the previous low, and that's the level that we need to break to be able to confirm that we are in a now bullish trend. So the difference now really between what we've had previously is these higher lows that we've been seeing daily. And I've just written that, just putting that trend line there so that you can see that visually. So, maybe things are changing now. We are coming up. We had this nice push up today. We're coming up to the 1.0 level, which will be a very significant point of resistance. So let's head down to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what we can find. So downtrend here. Now, we're in a downtrend, which means that every up move that we see is going to be corrective, right? So we've had an ABC here. Let's just put that in so we can see it a little bit more clearly. So we've got an ABC here, and then a downtrend here, and then we're looking again corrective going up. So if this is a corrective wave, then let's put on the Fibonacci level. Fibonacci retracement, and this is very significant here. You see, we've broken through the 78.6 Fibonacci level. The 100% Fibonacci level is at the 1.0 price level. So we are looking like we're heading back up. Usually, if we go past this 78.6, we're going to go hit the 100%. So it looks like we are heading up at the moment on the 4-hour time frame. So let's keep that in mind, and we're going to move down to the 1 hour. And let's have a look to see if we can find some kind of trading opportunity here. So I've got my levels marked on here, which I've had marked on here now for a while. When we were hanging around this area, my levels were that if we broke through this 0.988 level there and we saw an impulsive move up, then I would come in on a trade and I would go bullish and then have 99.3 as the next target, and then the next target above that was going to be the 1.0 level. So this would have been a good trade. As soon as you saw a impulsive move to take out this structure here, that would have been a great trade to get in to go bullish. We are now just pulling back on the previous resistance level from before, which is over here, the previous lows. In fact, we don't really need that mark on there anymore, because I do believe that we're going to push up to this 1.0 level. Now, if you're not in a trade already here, I would recommend you to not take any trade when we're in this kind of pullback zone here right yet. I think that we need either an impulsive move up, and in fact I wouldn't even take a trade. If you're not in a trade yet, I wouldn't take a trade until we see, if we are going to carry on moving up, an impulsive move from the 1.0 level upwards. Okay, so only take a trade, just my advice and what I would do in this situation. If you're not already in a trade, I would only take a trade when we're past this 1.0 level, we see an impulsive move up, and then we can start to confirm that the reversal has taken place and we are now heading back up. Of course, this isn't confirmed yet, and until that is confirmed, we have to expect that we are going to keep on trending down. So unless we see that, we have to expect that we're going to see a drop sooner or later, and this drop is going to continue the wave 3 until we get to that wave 4, basically. So even though it does look like we're going up, we cannot confirm it. We have to expect that it's going to keep on coming down. So if you're in a trade, you got in a trade from here, be careful with your stop losses. Maybe trail your stop losses. You don't want to lose out on that movement there. But yeah, I think we need to observe this over the next few days. We've got some news coming out as well later in the week, so that could affect this. And yeah, just be careful with your trades, as always. Proper risk management, and look after your profits and minimize your losses. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.